In this video, we take a closer look at business partner relationships in the SAP system. Maintaining relationships between business partners is a key aspect of master data management in SAP. It allows for a structured representation of real-world business connections, such as between companies, subsidiaries, contact persons, or organizational units. Business partner relationships in SAP are used to define how two business partners are connected. A typical relationship might be, is contact person for, is responsible for group, or is partner of. These relationships not only support organizational classification, but are also relevant for automated processes, approval workflows, or reporting structures. Creating a relationship is done directly in the transaction BP. After opening an existing business partner, switch to the Relationships view. This area displays an overview of all existing relationships. To create a new relationship, first select the relationship type. For example, is contact person of. Then, in the field Relationship with BP, select the partner with whom the relationship should be established. You can either enter the number directly or use the search help to find the appropriate business partner. Optionally, you can define a validity period and enter additional details. These fields help describe the relationship more precisely and can be relevant depending on the scenario. Once all required fields have been filled out, click the Create button. The new relationship will now be added and will immediately appear in the overview table below. This means the connection between the two business partners is now active in the system. A notable advantage of relationship management is the ability to maintain relationships bidirectionally. This means that if a relationship from partner A to partner B is created, it can, depending on configuration, also be visible from partner B's side automatically. This creates a traceable network structure between all relevant stakeholders in the system. Business partner relationships are not only important for organizations, but also in the context of natural persons. A commonly used scenario is linking a contact person to a customer. In this case, it is specified that a certain employee is responsible for the customer, including their phone number, email address, and responsibilities. These details are then available directly during order processing, complaints handling, or customer service interactions. In summary, maintaining business partner relationships is a fundamental part of master data quality in SAP. It improves transparency, enables clearer communication between partners, and facilitates process automation in sales, purchasing, service, and many other modules. A clean and structured relationship management process is therefore not only organizationally beneficial, but also technically essential for efficient work in the SAP system.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your ADVIST Academy.